Now, from Channel 6 News, your severe weather team forecast.
Good Friday morning. Welcome back to Channel 6 News. It's sunrise and it's Friday, so we have our Mihalko's weather kid, Devan Stevens from Blacklick Valley High School with us. He's a 9th grader and he's going to help us do the weather. Devan, welcome. Let's tell everybody about the forecast today, the weather story showing.
Well, today we have mainly sunny skies.
And as we head to the weekend, what's going to happen? We're
going to be cranking up the heat. It's going to get hot.
Yeah, it is. Temperatures will really warm up as we head in towards the weekend. Some of us will be in the 90s, and wouldn't be surprised to see 1 or 2 of those bank thermometers hitting the triple-digit mark as we head towards the weekend. You know, though, those bank thermometers are normally placed in direct sunlight, so it's not a big surprise if they hit 100 degrees. We're about halfway there this morning. Take a look at the numbers across the Alleghenies. Devin, step back just a bit and tell everybody the temperatures.
Well, in Butler, we have 57, Du Bois 55, Pittsburgh 60, Washington 54, Johnstown 58, Altoona 56, and State College 57.
So temperatures running in the mid-50s across the Alleghenies this morning, but upstream, we have some warmer weather. That'll get in here for the weekend. Where does it look warm, Devin?
Down in Topeka and St. Louis, it would be warmer, up in the high 70s.
Yeah, upper 70s in Topeka and St. Louis, and those are your temperatures right now. And Sioux Falls is at 75 as well. Some of that warmer air will come into the Alleghenies as we head in through your weekend. Let's zoom in locally and show everybody Futurecast. And what we're showing here, show everybody the clouds, Devin. Point to all those clouds. We do have more cloud cover up in our northern tier counties this morning. Now we're going to set the clock into motion, and you can see some green showing up in the northern parts of the viewing area. With that, there is a chance for a few sprinkles, and we do have a few sprinkles early this morning. If we can take a look at early warning Doppler 6, we'll show you where we're zoomed in to some of those sprinkles early this morning. Rick, are we able to get early warning Doppler 6 in there this morning? Show everybody where the sprinkles are. If not, we'll take a look at it next block. You can see all the rain up in the northern parts of the viewing area on Futurecast this morning. And there's early warning Doppler 6, and that's north of Elk and Forest County this morning, and that's moving off to the east. So for the most part, everybody should stay dry. Let's go back to Futurecast, and we're going to show everybody what's going to happen into the afternoon. Just a few clouds into your Saturday morning and into Saturday afternoon. We're in pretty good shape. Mainly sunny skies across the Alleghenies, but a cold front will move through on Sunday. So it's time to do your regional forecast. Devin, start with the Laurel Highlands. Temperatures in... Go ahead.
Indiana 85, in Ligonier you have 85 also.
What about Johnstown, the city of Johnstown?
City of Johnstown would be 87.
And some of those higher elevations will be running in the mid-80s later on this afternoon. What about Somerset?
Somerset will run 82 as well as Grantsville.
Okay, and plenty of sunshine across the Laurel Highlands today. The further north you go, though, the more clouds you can expect. Eastern Alleghenies looking pretty good, mainly sunny, and temperatures?
State College will be 86, as well as Altoona and Lewistown.
Okay, and 87s along the Pennsylvania Turnpike, right? Mm-hmm. Bedford, Breezewood, both at 87 degrees. Northern tier counties, remember we showed you a few sprinkles on early warning Doppler 6. Rain and clouds up here possible with sun and clouds as well. Temperatures?
Marionville 80, as well as St. Mary's and Emporium.
Okay.
Clarion and Du Bois are both 81. And Clearfield is 84 and Punxsutawney is 82. Okay,
and through the overnight tonight, we're in the 50s and 60s, mainly clear skies. And Devin, you can head to the desk as I recap the 7-day forecast, showing temperatures really warming up into the weekend. We're at 90 degrees on Saturday, into Sunday, that cold front moving across the Alleghenies, dropping us back to 78 degrees. And then we're in the mid-70s as we head through Monday. Monday looking like a nice day with partly cloudy skies. And then we warm it up again. Plenty of sunshine heading into Tuesday, Wednesday, and into Thursday with temperatures in the mid-80s. And if you want to be a Mihalko's weather kid like Devin here, all you have to do is log on to the website, wjactv.com, and click on the weather kid icon.
Well, nice mix of weather for the weekend. 90, hot, sunny, Sunday 78, chance of some showers here or there. Nice way to mix it up.
Yeah, a little bit for everybody.
Yeah.
By the way, nice job, Devin.
Yeah, you're having a good time out there, aren't you? Tim, if you want to go home a little bit early, Devin will do the second half.
Don't tempt me. Don't tempt me. I'm out of here.
Tim's been up late playing hockey, so he'd happily go to bed right now.
Yes.
Yes, that'd be good stuff.
I'm just counting down the days, or the hours till vacation.
Yeah,
Ooh,
of course. And Devin will be seeing you again in a little bit.
Yep.
It's almost 6:24 now on this Friday morning, and we have our Mihalko's weather kid, Devin, with us this morning.
Thanks for joining us.
We want to talk about something that we were talking about off camera now, because I'm going to stand stand in defense of bank thermometers. If they're in the sun,
everywhere.
And you're saying that it's exaggerated heat because they're in the sun. But if they're in the sun, it's warmer than if they're in the shade.
And if they're in the shade, you're saying it's cooler
and if they're
than
in the
probably
shade,
the
it
air
would be cooler.
When you take the temperature, you're supposed to take the temperature in the shade. That's how the actual temperature is supposed to be measured by thermometers. So when you have the thermometer out in the sun, it's too hot. I mean, that may be how it feels.
Isn't that a distorted temperature, too, because it's in the shade and it's cooler?
Well, it's not distorted. The one that's in the sun is distorted.
It's like
Why?
the sun heat or sun temperature as opposed to like the air temperature.
But it's warmer in the sun than it is in the shade.
Devin has an answer for that.
Devin came up with this. Tell us what we should do.
See, I said by 2, and then add them both up and divide by 2 and get your average.
Good choice.
There we go.
That would make sense.
And
So,
this is why we have Mihalko Weather's kids, to help us get our story straight in the morning.
I'm glad he's here, because I don't know what I'd do. You know what, though? If you took that average today, the temperatures would round out to about 90 to 95. But our actual temperatures today will be running in the 80s. Take a look at your forecast as you go through the day today. Devin, help us out.
Well, we'll have plenty of sun, and it'll definitely be warmer. And it'll be high 80 to 87.
And we're really going to heat things up into the weekend as we head through the weekend. Temperatures up near 90 degrees.